What lie do girls tell that you don't like? Yes guys, it's your boy Roman here again with another top 5. And this week, we're talking about 5 lies that girls tell.
Number 1.
To be honest, for me, all I look for in a guy is his personality. Totally his personality.
Lies. Oh, lies!
Because personality is not a video game stat that you can see,
That you can use some special skill and scope and see someone's personality level.
it doesn't work that way.
The first thing you see
When you look at someone,
is their physical appearance.
obviously, you don't see me from afar looking like Shrek
And say, oh my god.
I love your personality. Number 2. A guy does not need to be muscular.
He just needs to go to the gym.
Yeah, just keep fit,
Keep healthy. First of all, I know I'm bad at math.
But gym plus sport,
Plus being in shape definitely equals being muscular. I mean, look at it. I mean, I don't even have muscle because I haven't gone to the gym for a long time. Oh my god.
Number 3.
A guy will know when I'm interested.
We almost never know when you're interested.
Because it doesn't matter what we do. Our approach is never right.
We send a text message, you say we're aggressive.
We try to stop you. You say, oh my god, what is he doing?
It doesn't matter what we do. So first of all, real story.
I was talking to this girl. She was super cool. We were having a good time. I think we were making a connection.
I noticed that she had an accent. So I said,
Where are you from?
and the girl lost it. It's almost like I asked, where does she live? What's your address?
And we just don't know what question to ask.
For us, we're trying to get to know you.
But for you, we're getting too personal.
So your smile,
Your laughter.
texting me at 10 p.m. in the night. Are those not signs that you're interested? Number 4. Okay, listen. I have no time for a bad guy.
I want a nice guy. Because many girls say this, I don't want a bad guy, a rough guy, but I want a nice guy.
You've been lying to yourself.
Yet when you try to be nice, you open the door.
You take them out, you be a gentleman. It's quite chevalier. You're gentleman-like.
Do you know what happens next?
Oh my god, Roman, you're so sweet. You're such a nice guy. You'll make some girl happy someday. So you find out when a guy is nice, a girl will recognize it, she'll identify it, and she'll even point it out that you'll make some other woman happy. But apparently not her. You're just in the friend zone. Being nice, guys, is a recipe for the friend zone.
Number 5.
And last,
Girl, I'm not picky. He doesn't need to be a millionaire or billionaire, but he needs to have a stable income. And with that money, he needs to look good. Yeah, attractive.
with a good body, he must like animals.
He must be in touch with his emotional self.
Yeah, but he shouldn't be too soft. He must know to take control.
You know, he must be able to lead like a man.
He must also love his mom, but not be a mama's boy.
Put me first.
But love his mom.
Is that too much to ask? So there you go, guys. We have it. 5 lies
That girls sell. And first of all, before I move on, if you enjoyed this video, guys,
don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
and if you've not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell so you will always be notified when I make an upload. So, as I was saying,
Nothing is wrong with having preferences. Nothing is wrong with having preferences.
but sometimes you can be a little bit too idealistic or you have great expectations, and I mean, come on, we're human beings.
Just love human.
Alright guys, so with that said, I hope that you guys were not triggered. Again, these are just some general stereotypes, generalizations, and they do not apply to every single girl on this planet.
Finally, I have a little challenge for you.
Just drop your name in the comments down below.
And the name the most likes.
I will hashtag you in my next video.
So with that said,
See you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.